Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you today?
Okay, let's go.
I hope everything is good. This video is especially for the Saudi nationals. Are you a Saudi national? Yes? Very good. See, this video is a specially gift for the Saudi nationals. If you are living here in Qatif, Dammam, Jubail, Sihat, Safwa, anywhere in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, are you listening to me anywhere from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, this video is especially for you. All the Saudi peoples knows the summer season is coming. Yes, I'm talking about the summer season, which is very, very important for us as a travel agent. This is not only a summer season. There is a feelings, there is a love, there is expectations with the families. A lot of Saudi people travel to Schengen countries in the summer season. Yes, I'm talking about Thomas Lam Travels. Thomas Lam Travel is providing the best visa services for the Europe, for the Schengen countries, for the UK, USA, Canada, anywhere worldwide visa services we are providing. If you are interested, if you have planned with traveling with the family to the Schengen countries this year 2026, this video is especially for you. You can apply your visa in the early stage. As you know, after that there is no appointments available. After that all the countries slots will be sold out. Yes, as this is the Ramadan 2026 is going on. So if you are interested, contact with us today on these numbers, and you can contact with us also on this email if you are interested. So this video is only for you. Because your trip does not start from the airport. Your trip will start from the visa process. First step is you need to apply the visa for Schengen countries. Alone, with family, with friends, no problem. We will handle everything for you. Just you need to share with us the basic documents. After that, we will prepare your completely file. We will send it to you by PDF copies, by email, whatever you want. And you can just print out and go to the VFS Global and submit your documents. It's very easy and smooth process with Thomas Lam Travels. Every year we are preparing a lot of applications. So this 2026, we are announcing the special discounts for the Saudi nationals. So don't be wait. If you have plan, just send us the documents and we will process and we will start your process, inshallah. Thank you so much. Have a good day.